Welcome to Samantha's Jamaican Skincare. Please like, share and subscribe for more content, where we explore the intersection of finance and skincare. Today, we're talking about investing in your skin. Just like a smart investment portfolio, a well-crafted skincare routine can yield impressive returns, a glowing, healthy complexion. Step 1 in building your skincare portfolio is to assess your skin assets. Take stock of your skin type, concerns, and goals. Are you dealing with acne, hyperpigmentation, or fine lines? Identifying your skin strengths and weaknesses will help you make informed investment decisions. Step 2 is to diversify your product portfolio. Just as a financial portfolio benefits from a mix of low and high-risk investments, your skincare routine should balance gentle, nourishing products with more active, corrective ones. Consider incorporating a mix of cleansers, toners, essences, serums, and moisturizers. Step 3 is to invest in key active ingredients. These are the skincare equivalents of high-growth stocks. Look for products containing retinol, vitamin C, niacinamide, or hyaluronic acid, which can help address specific skin concerns and promote overall skin health. Step 4 is to manage risk with sun protection. UV damage can devastate your skin's portfolio, causing premature aging and skin cancer. Invest in a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply regularly. Step 5 is to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly. Keep track of how your skin responds to different products and ingredients. Be willing to rebalance your routine as needed to ensure optimal returns, a healthy, glowing complexion. By following these 5 steps, you'll be well on your way to building a skincare portfolio that yields impressive returns. Remember, investing in your skin takes time, patience, and discipline, but the payoff is well worth it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.